Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well, and I hope that you all have done your homework which I have given you in my previous lecture, and I have given you the question answers also. You all have done with your work. Now today we are starting our next lesson, which is about my country. Okay, I have summarized all this chapter into the main points. I will give you the main points of all the chapter. I will explain it, so you will very much will be aware of everything. You will have just a reading. Now where we are, हम कहाँ रह रहे हैं. Main points of you all know our country name is Pakistan, and our country got independence on 14 August 1947 with the help of Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal and other members. We got independence from India on 14 August 1947. In which continent our province is located. Our country is located into South Asian continent. ठीक है, वी हैव रेड अबाउट द कॉन्टिनेंट्स नेम. यू ऑल मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ ऑल द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. सो आवर कंट्री इज लोकेटेड इन साउथ एशिया. आवर कंट्री हैव प्रोविंसेस. ठीक है, एवरी कंट्री हैव इट्स ओन प्रोविंसेस. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रोविंसेस? प्रोविंसेस इज द स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ अ country. A small part of a country is called provinces. We have 5 provinces. We have Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where we are living, Gilgit and Gilgit-Baltistan. These 5 are the provinces of Pakistan. Now, most populated province of Pakistan is Punjab. Populated, what do you mean by populated? Where we have populated, उर्दू में कहते हैं आबादी को. Populated where we have much amount of people living there. So that province is Punjab. The largest province area के लिहाज से, रकबे के लिहाज से, the largest province is Balochistan, but it's not populated. ठीक है, you should know the difference between populated and largest. Most populated province is Punjab, जहाँ पे लोगों की आबादी ज़्यादा है, and largest province, the largest province of Pakistan with the large area, that is Balochistan. Every country have its capital city. ठीक है, और capital city जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं दारुल खिलाफा. कैपिटल सिटी को उर्दू में कहते हैं दारुल खिलाफा. द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज इस्लामाबाद हमारी कैपिटल सिटी है. कैपिटल सिटी कहते हैं किसको है? कैपिटल सिटी इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर गवर्नमेंट लीडर्स सिट एंड मेक इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस, where our different politicians sit together and make decision about the country, about happening of countries, what should be done or what should not be done for the betterment of country. Where they sit and make, you all know that we are having our national assembly in Pakistan, in Islamabad. So these type of different places, it is a place where government leaders especially sit and make this important decision of country. ठीक है, this is called a capital city. तो हमारी capital city it is Islamabad. Largest seaport. Pakistan is having largest seaport in Karachi. Karachi is located in which province? Karachi is located in Sindh province, and Karachi is the biggest city of Sindh. ठीक है, सिंध की जो प्रोविंस की जो बड़ी सिटी है वो कराची है. कराची इज़ हैविंग द लार्जेस्ट सीपोर्ट. इन पाकिस्तान द largest seaport is in Karachi. Seaport, what do you mean by seaport? Seaport is a place where ship land and load and unloads goods that are being traded. ठीक है, the things which are traded, जो सामान एक मुल्क से दूसरे मुल्क आता है जाता है, ठीक है, from ships. ठीक है, बहरी जहाज़ जिसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं. ठीक है, from that area is of in Karachi. ठीक है, that is called seaport. ठीक है, जहाँ पे बहरी जहाज़ के ज़रिए, समंदरी निज़ाम के ज़रिए सामान एक मुल्क से दूसरे मुल्क बरामदात और दरामदात होती है. इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट. ठीक है, इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट. ठीक है, दिस हैपन्स from the seaport of Karachi, which is the largest seaport in Pakistan. ठीक है, now this was about the country. We have read our country when it got independence, in which continent it is located, how many provinces we are having, which is the populated province. Punjab is the populated province and Balochistan is the largest province. We read capital city is a place, ठीक है, where government leaders sit and make important decisions about country. We read about largest seaport. Our largest seaport is in Karachi. ठीक है, this was about our country introduction. ठीक है, on next book or next page of your textbook page 3 you will read about rivers of Pakistan. ठीक है, rivers of Pakistan. river किसे कहते हैं? river हम कहते हैं दरिया को, ठीक है, दरिया को। तो रिवर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान, इन दिस होल चैप्टर वी विल रीड अबाउट रिवर ऑफ पाकिस्तान विच आई हैव समराइज्ड इनटू सम मेन पॉइंट्स एंड आई हैव अंडरलाइंड इट फॉर यू सो यू कैन हैव अ ब्रीफ समरी ऑफ दिस ऑल चैप्टर। नाउ रिवर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान, ठीक है, द मेन रिवर ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज इंडस रिवर, ठीक है। पाकिस्तान की जो मेन रिवर है, द बिगेस्ट रिवर फ्रॉम विच द वाटर सप्लाइज टू डिफरेंट रिवर्स और डिफरेंट ट्रिब्यूटरीज, दैट इज द रिवर इंडस। नाउ ट्रिब्यूटरी, ठीक है, वी हैव टू टर्म्स विच वी यूज इन विच आर यूज इन दिस चैप्टर, वन इज रिवर एंड वन इज ट्रिब्यूटरी, ठीक है। रिवर्स, रिवर मैंने आपको बता दिया, वी से टू दरिया, और ट्रिब्यूटरी इज अ स्मॉल रिवर्स ज्वाइंस इनटू अ बिगर। हियर इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ट्रिब्यूटरी, स्मॉल रिवर्स ज्वाइन इनटू अ बिगर। ट्रिब्यूटरी हम कहते हैं छोटे दरिया को जो मिल के बड़ा दरिया बनाते हैं। These two terminologies, these two terms are used in this whole chapter, ठीक है। You have to understand, you have to keep it in the mind that river कहते हैं दरिया को, ठीक है, और tributary the small rivers that join to make a big river, ठीक है। Now as you know that river Indus is the largest river of Asia, ठीक है, एंड ऑफ पाकिस्तान एज वेल। सो रिवर इंडस ट्रिब्यूटरीज आर, जो उसकी जो ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं फ्रॉम वेयर इट गिव ऑल द वाटर कम्स एंड ऑक्यूपाई इन रिवर इंडस, द ट्रिब्यूटरीज आर विच मेक रिवर इंडस द लार्जेस्ट रिवर, दैट ट्रिब्यूटरीज आर सतलज, जेहलम, चिनाब एंड रावी। दीज आर द 4 ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ रिवर इंडस। आपको मैंने अभी बताया ट्रिब्यूटरी इज द स्मॉलर रिवर, दीज आर द स्मॉलर रिवर्स, सतलज हो गया, जेलम, चिनाब, रावी है, दीज आर द स्मॉलर रिवर्स, ये हमारे पास छोटे दरिया हैं। व्हेन दे गेट टुगेदर इनटू रिवर इंडस, सो देन रिवर इंडस इज मेक द लार्जेस्ट रिवर of Asia. Indus River is the largest river of Asia. Indus River, river जो है that is the largest river of Asia, and river Indus flows from Gilgit-Baltistan. Where does it starts from? Yeah, where does it flows from? It flows from Gilgit-Baltistan. This is all about the rivers which you will, when you will read, so you will come across all these things. Now in book, what are they saying to you in this first paragraph, last line? The Indus River is one of the largest rivers of South Asia. Locate the Indus River in the given map. Here is the map of Pakistan. You have to locate the river Indus. Now how you will locate? You will find out different countries, and then you will see the different cities, and then you will see where is river Indus. Here this is रिवर इंडस, ठीक है, ये हमारे पास रिवर इंडस है, ठीक है, द बिगेस्ट रिवर ऑफ एशिया। नाउ व्हाट हैव आई हैव डन फॉर यू, आई हैव wrote the main points for you, but I have underlined the main points of this chapter for you, ठीक है। all points which I have underlined for you, that I have summarized for you, ठीक है, which I have told you in my lecture, ठीक है। Now you can see we are having the picture of this football, or you can see anything, ठीक है। Now here they are telling you that in this paragraph, when you look in this paragraph, they are telling you the importance of different cities, ठीक है। Here they have mentioned the importance of different cities of Pakistan, like Faisalabad. Faisalabad is an industrial city, ठीक है, it has many factories. फैसलाबाद जो है हमारे पास एक इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी है जहाँ पे बहुत सी फैक्ट्रीज हैं। सियालकोट इज़ अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान। सियालकोट एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटी है, वाई? बिकॉज सियालकोट में जो स्पोर्ट गुड्स बनते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स की चीज़ें हो गई, बैट, बॉल, फुटबॉल, एवरीथिंग दैट कम्स इनटू द स्पोर्ट, दैट आर मैन्युफैक्चर फ्रॉम सियालकोट। वो हमारी सिटी सियालकोट से जाती हैं एक मुल्क से दूसरे मुल्क में। इसी तरह डिफरेंट सिटीज़ हैव देयर importance. Now here you can see in this picture, you will see it in your book as well when you will go through my lesson. The football of FIFA World Cup 2018 was made in Sialkot. The football of FIFA World Cup, ठीक है, it's overall world match, that football was made in Sialkot, in our city, ठीक है। Then look here you will also go through one more picture, Port Qasim in Karachi, where goods are being unloaded, ठीक है। I have told you Karachi, ठीक है, Karachi। Okay dear students, now what you have to do is I have already explained the major points to you ठीक है. Now what you have to do is you have to read out page number textbook, your social study textbook, page number 2 and 3. ठीक है. Read it thoroughly. You will come through all the main points which I have cleared you before in my lecture. Now coming towards your written work, what is your written work? Here are the different, you are having 4 questions. ठीक है. The answers are in your textbook which we have read it. ठीक है. First 2 questions I have done in the book for you. You can write it from the book. Open your workbooks, page number 3 and start writing with me. First 2 questions I will do it with you, and 3-4 questions will be done by yourself. I will refer the page number from which you can do it. Now here first questions, why are river important? Rivers कहते हैं दरिया को. I have explained you before. Now answer, rivers are important because they are major source of water. रिवर्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, दरिया ज़रूरी है क्योंकि वो मेजर सोर्स हैं पानी का. रिवर्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दे आर मेजर सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज़ अ ट्रिब्यूटरी? ट्रिब्यूटरी मैंने आपको बताया था, जिसको हम उर्दू में मावन कहते हैं. ठीक है. लेकिन उर्दू में मावन कहते हैं जो छोटे दरिया होते हैं जो मिल के बड़ा दरिया बनाते हैं. अ ट्रिब्यूटरी इज़ अ स्मॉलर रिवर जॉइंस इनटू बिगर वन. ट्रिब्यूटरी क्या है? ट्रिब्यूटरी एक छोटा रिवर है, छोटा दरिया है जो जॉइन करता है, और एक किसके साथ ज्वाइन करते हैं? विद द बिग रिवर्स. ठीक है. दीज 2 questions होपफुली you have done in your workbooks with me. Now question number 3, how many tributaries does River Indus have? I have explained you how many tributaries does it have. ठीक है. It has 4 tributaries. Names are mentioned in the textbook. Then the next question is, label the rivers of Pakistan. Now I have left these questions for you. You will do it by yourself. I have referred you to the page. Refer page number 3 of your textbook. You will get the answer. Here is the map. Label the rivers of Pakistan. Here is the map. You will refer the map, and from that you will write the river's name like this. I have referred the page number 3. Now here you can get the answer of the tributaries of River Indus as well, and this is the map. You can identify the rivers of Pakistan as well from this map, and you will label it in your workbook page number 3. Okay. And your task on page number 2 is also your task. It's also an easy and activity sort of task for you. Color each province with a different color. You have to color the provinces of Pakistan but with different colors. This color is used for Balochistan. ठीक है. Which color you are using it, it's your choice. You will use different colors, red, green, blue, yellow. You can take help from page number 2. Here it is the textbook page number 2. The provinces are mentioned here. They are also in different colors. ठीक है. Now from this you will identify the province, and then you will color it differently. Sindh different color, Balochistan different color, KPK different color, and then which colors you have done in this map, you will write that color's name over here. ठीक है. These 2 are your written work which you have to do it. I have already explained you very well, and I have mentioned the pages number to you for referring towards the textbook, and you can do it easily. Okay. Now here is your written task. I have mentioned the written task for you. Okay. Now written task, what is your written task? Write 5 to 8 lines about your province. Mention important building and specialities of your province. Your province, you are living KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. You have to write 5 to 8 lines about your province in your notebooks. ठीक है. Or in your rough books. ठीक है. And you have to mention the important building. If there is an important building or important place of history in your province, you will write about that, and you will mention the specialty of your province. What is your homework? Homework is workbook page 2 and 3. I have told you on workbook page number 3 you have to do the question answers, and on page number 2 you have to do the coloring in reference of textbook page 3 and 3. With the reference of textbook also page 2 and 3, you can refer it and you will find the answer easily. And reading of chapter number 1. This is your today's task. Hopefully you will do your task, and you have came across all the chapter as well.